Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your Discord account discoverable by your phone number, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to help your friends easily find you on Discord using your phone number. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give it a tap to open your profile and access your settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Content and Social. Tap on this section to open up more options related to how your account interacts with others on Discord. Inside the Content and Social menu, you'll find several settings that control your discoverability and social connections. Look for the option called Discovery. Here, you'll see a toggle switch next to Phone. This is the setting that allows other users to find your Discord account using your phone number. To make your account discoverable, simply toggle on the switch next to Phone. Once it's enabled, your friends and contacts who have your phone number saved in their device will be able to find you on Discord more easily. This can be especially helpful if you want to connect with people you know in real life, without having to share your Discord username and tag. And that's it. Your account is now set up to be discoverable by your phone number. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to the same menu and toggle the setting off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips and tricks. See you in the next video.